To ensure a smooth and accurate printing process with the imagePROGRAF PRO-1100, understanding Canon's software suite and how it integrates with photo editing programs like Adobe's Photoshop and Lightroom or Canon DPP is important. Canon Professional Print and Layout is the link between your image and the final printed product. Specifically designed for Canon's Pro printers, PPL brings various printing functions into one easy-to-manage interface. It works either as a plugin to your photo editing software or as a standalone application and is available for Mac or PC. From the software, you can manage paper types, sizes and borders, set color management and paper profiles, and soft-proof color tones in a what you see is what you get environment. It also has a handy black and white photo mode that produces natural monochrome images even from color files. You can also add text and watermarks. But by far my favorite feature of PPL is the pattern print function that creates a single sheet with multiple versions of the same photo with different color, brightness and contrast adjustments. You can select your preferred shot for the final print, saving your ink, paper and time. Talking of saving things, if like me you like to keep an eye on costs, then Accounting Manager is your friend. As you print, it tracks the cost of your prints. It's an often overlooked but really important tool. If you have a camera that supports Canon's DP RAW, then the software can read the depth data in the file for smart sharpening of your print. It applies sharpening intelligently in the right areas. The overall effect is subtle, but it makes for really rich, three-dimensional feeling prints with enhanced dynamics. You're definitely going to want to check that box and see the results. The Pro-1100 also reads the HDR information from the DP RAW file, giving you an extra 2 stops of dynamic range. When you start experimenting with different papers, and it's something I recommend you try, it's important that the printer understands how to handle and apply ink to the paper that you've loaded in. The Media Config tool is where you can send this information to the printer. Each manufacturer will produce an AM1X file to go with the paper. The file includes all the information the printer needs to apply on the selected paper, such as ink limits, using the right black ink, matte black or photo black, setting the correct print head height and applying the correct ICC profile. All Canon papers come pre-installed on the Pro-1100, so you won't need to do anything if you're using those. There's a lot of very high-tech stuff going on, but if you stick within the Canon ecosystem, you can be confident that printing show-stopping images is simple.